So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send the photos on WhatsApp windows without losing the quality on the latest versions of WhatsApp software that you have on your system. Now, let me quickly open the WhatsApp right on my system. Now here in the WhatsApp, all you need to do is to just simply press an option of plus that is attached. Now, generally, what you do is you just simply go to the option of photos and videos. Now here you need to go to this option of document right there. Now, once you go over there, here you need to select the particular file that you want to share over here. Now, let's say, for example, if I select some random photograph from here, let's say this one. Now, you can see there's no preview available because this photo has been sending as a document on this particular folder, on this particular chat, and the quality is going to be seamless as it have been in the original chat. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.